Want to get started with Instacart, but you're scared to do that first batch? Well, today we're going to go through exactly how to pick out a batch and exactly all the steps and what's going on the screen as we do it. Let's jump in. Hi, I'm Tyler from the RideShare Guy. On today's episode, we're actually going to take you step by step through an entire batch so that you can see what it's like so that you can be used to it and not be scared to get started. So first, I looked through. One of the things I like to do is actually start at home if possible. So when I go through to find a batch, I scroll through and find one. So like this one right here, this is going to be perfect. It's a double batch, 2 different stores, not that many items, so it's a great one to get you started. So let's accept that and head to the store. So we've pulled up. This shop is just 2 items, and so we're just going to start it right from the car because it's not going to take long. Yeah, I'm doing Instacart, and they also have the Tito's, but I think it's back here, the 375.
Just one?
Yeah, it's just one. Makes you take a picture of the receipt. Then off to the second store. All right, and so since this one's Sam's Club, I'm gonna wait to hit the start shopping button until actually inside, because this is a lot bigger of a place and it's gonna be a lot harder to find the stuff in there. So I wanna make sure I'm giving myself as much time as possible actually in the store. So until I actually get in there, I'm not gonna hit the start shopping button. Now that we're in, we're gonna start shopping. So we take a look at everything. Everything is basically snacks. There's one thing that's going to be refrigerated. Maybe a couple of these will be refrigerated. The one odd one is brooms, so I'm going to go take care of that one first because I have no idea where it's going to be in here. So we're going to go on a little adventure.
It's in the back.
Definitely have to check because this one, even though the barcode I guarantee will scan, there's only one in there, but they're definitely paying for 2. So, although it is a little tricky to get out. Here we go. I actually thought that was going to be a lot harder to find. So, on to the next one. Now 2 more, fresh fruit and yogurt. So the other ones don't have the date very clear. This one has a much clearer date, so I wanted to make sure I got one that they could actually see the date and that the date was good. So though this one says it's going to be with the fresh fruit, I think it's actually back at the snacks where we just were. All right, back to the snacks. That's why you always look before you walk away. Not like I just did. Now we're all set. We're gonna head to the checkout. Hardest part about this is not getting distracted. So my camera person, aka my wife, just stopped recording because she's doing her little good deed of the day. She just found a random wallet full of money and credit cards. So we're gonna take a little bit of time just to stop, and she's gonna find someone so that we can give them the wallet so that whoever it is that lost it can find it and not worry about all their cards and stuff being stolen. So a little tiny break in the middle of this, but I think the good deed of the day is worth it. All right, well, after that little adventure, now we're gonna try to find a line to get in. Unfortunately, I don't think you can do the self-checkout. Oh, you can do the self-checkout. We're gonna try it in, because I think it's gonna be faster. Remember, always return your car. So there you have it, one simple batch. There's a couple of things obviously I would have done differently. I wouldn't have missed that oranges. In fact, when I was watching the video, I saw that I was literally right next to it. So those are kind of the mistakes we're trying to help you avoid. But sometimes it does happen, even if you've done this many, many times like I have. So don't kick yourself if you do. So that's one thing. Another thing, sometimes, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I like to start at home. Sometimes there's nothing that I'm getting at home and I have to go to a busier area. If that's your specific market, I know some people where they live is nowhere near where they're gonna make the money. So you have to go where you're gonna make the money. Fortunately, there's a lot of stores nearby that are actually gonna make money right where I live. So I'm able to start from home a lot, which is really great for me. So there you have it. I hope this helps. I hope this allows you to be able to be more comfortable taking your first batch. This was also a double batch. It had alcohol in it as well, so you get to see all of that. I hope it helped. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every single one. Please subscribe to the channel. We have new videos that come out every single week. And stay safe out there, everyone.